How to get a ClickFunnels free trial. This is Matt, and this will be a video on how to get that free trial with ClickFunnels. So I'm right here on one of the main ClickFunnels pages, as you can see right here. Now, to get that free trial, first things first, I do have an affiliate link in the video description just below this video. Click on my link in the video description and you'll find yourself on a page like this or very similar, depending on how ClickFunnels change their pages over time. So it's kind of hidden away at the top, but there is this try for free button. Once you find yourself on this page, you're going to come up to the top here, this orange button, try for free. We're going to click there. And what they're currently offering, as you can see on the screen, is a 14-day free trial. So this changes. Sometimes it might be less, sometimes it might be more, but as of the filming of this video, the ClickFunnels are offering a 14-day free trial. All you're going to do is fill out your details here, full name, email address, click continue. You can start your free trial. You can check out the platform. Maybe this platform is for you, maybe it isn't. You don't know until you start. You get that free trial, you get to actually test drive the software, test drive the platform, see if it's for you. If it's not, absolutely fine, there's no risk. You can cancel at any time. You just need to cancel in that 14 days and you won't be charged a single penny. If it is for you, you can stick around, and that's awesome too. So hopefully you found this video useful and informative. If you have, drop the video a like, really helps, and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this.